Hi, if you're watching this, that means you need to get your battery replacement done. Here I have a Dell replacement battery, and this is the Dell laptop. Let's take a look at the back of the computer. That the model is P48F001. That is the model for this Dell Inspiron laptop. Here you can see on the side that the back cover is somewhat bulging, expanded, and the reason behind of that is not because it was dropped. It was because that the battery is swollen. So when the battery is swollen, it pushes out the bottom case. That is where it shows the expansion is happening right now. So if you have a laptop that is like maybe 3 years or older, more likely the battery might not be holding up the charge. And also if you have the trackpad is not clickable. So let's just say your trackpad left click and the right click is somewhat not clickable, or it's not clicking, then more likely it's because of the battery is swollen and it pushes the clicker from the inside out. When I say inside out, meaning that the internal part of the laptop is get pushed in. Okay, so here I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. I'll be removing all the screws here. Those screws that not coming off is the top right corner and the top left corner. The two screws meant to stay on the back cover. So let's remove all the screws and remove the back cover. If you're not sure where to buy the replacement battery, please check the link down in the description below. I'll either link it to Amazon or eBay, where you can find the replacement part for this. Also the tools to get this repaired. Alright, here I'll be using a plastic prying tool. Since there's an opening here, I will use this opening to kind of pry open the back cover. And remove entirely. Now here you can see that the battery, and to remove the battery, all you have to do is to get the Phillips screwdriver and remove all the screws here. Okay, but before I do that, I need to disconnect the battery. That the battery connector is right here. All I have to do is just to slide it down. Get a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws, and remove the battery entirely. Except there's one more screw right here on the very far right. So what I like to do is to transfer this flex cable, this little this battery cable here. I need to transfer it over to the new battery. This is how we can install it. Push it all the way in. Realign it back to the line. And have the screws going back into the two slots. Okay, so here you might want to quickly take a look. If you want to add additional RAM, you do have a secondary RAM slot available that runs on a DDR4. You can get one of those DDR4 RAM like this. Okay, and then just slot it in. And that should do. Then you will have additional RAM. To remove it, all you have to do is to push the two little side clipper and remove the RAM. Now you want to take this opportunity to clean off the fan, because if your fan is dirty, you might want to just get a little brush and kind of brush it off. And once it's brushed off, you can get a can duster to blow off some of the dust. Okay, let's do that. I'm using a plastic prying tool here to just kind of scrape off some of the dust. Okay, when that is done, So you have like a little brush, like a toothbrush maybe. Just gonna brush it off and then get that thing clean. And here's a hard drive. If you need to recover the hard drive, go ahead and remove that. And I'd like to show it to you. One of those USB adapter. I used to have it here somewhere, but I couldn't find it. But it's a USB adapter where you can read off the data. All right, let's go ahead and put it back together. And if you have any question, please comment down below. I do read your comments and I'll answer you through the comments. And also please do not forget to check out our websites. If you have any attachment that you would like to send, any pictures in regards to your questions, go to the website, get the email address, and go ahead and send it to us. We'll take a look at it. And again, thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I really appreciate you for doing that. Okay, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.